Hi guys. Well, 4 days ago, we started heading to Ohio, and so we're going back home. And I would have taken a video in Ohio. We're still in Ohio, but we're traveling back home to North Carolina, which is far away. So yeah. And I just wanted to show you a cute little squishy I got. That is a little kitty, and she's adorable. Her name is Chloe Cat, but I named her Dumplings. Dumpling is a great name. And so I just wanted to, she used to have like some white on her muzzle, but that came off. It was like, you could peel it off, which I peeled it off, and she had a pink nose, but I peeled that off too. Just kept on falling apart, and this is Dumpling. Now, Dumpling is a cat, and she's supposed to be like a sleeping cat, so her eyes are kind of closed. I hope you can see, but she can she has like a belly, and I made this thing up where look, so, oh gosh, Chloe fell. This is the Chloe, I'm gonna put Chloe on the window. This is Chloe on the window. You can never see her, but she was on the window, and I think you could see her. Where is she?
Take the lock off.
Here she is. So, you probably couldn't see her, but she can stick to windows, and and I like to put her belly, you can make her belly go, This is her signature move. Oh yeah, this is her car that she's on. It's called the belly swing. It's like where you go, it's awesome. So yeah, I got it at Justice, and they're called squishy animals. This is Chloe Cat, but I named her Dumpling, of course. And then you can collect them all the collecting stuff, and you can read that if you can, because it's a little backwards. So, well, bye. I will make another video when I'm at the hotel. Bye. Peace out. That was cringy. Okay, bye.